Janthi gurune niyo the Kenya National Union of Teachers NTEERE rugite rukarita arimu bao barabara NTEERE cialdonyiro na mono ndene ya skuru ya primary ya Kipsing bobone kumania na kirabugite ni wagagie BWAO ikarikare amwarimu kwithukirwa ruwa anite kwawe kuma skuru bakiaria na andiki banteto bare ISIOLO akiama banat baugite ni bakumakira arimu bao na nikio gitumi bakwenda kujukia itagaria riri bantamurangiri na ripoti ije.
Ngwataniro cia ARIMU ISIOLO nicio NAT na KUPPET cimeneretie karikare arua muno ria mwarimu Robert Kinyoko na gutigwa gitutairo uturo bao na inya bikibiki eo kujukua ni mikora aumite cukuru mathaine jathasta NTEERE cha Kipsing. Ngwataniro ichuritie ARIMU NTEERE ni gukaramuchie monka ubatu bwao gutegera uria kubati.
As a union today we are here condemning with the strongest term as possible the highest order of insecurity in ISIOLO County, especially Oldonyiro sub-county, when it comes to teacher safety and security. So, at the moment we have withdrawn everybody there, even the locals, so that the learning will not take place there. Yeah. What happened is that recently, Mr. Robert Kinywa from the Leguini Primary School was attacked by raiders. His motorbike, mobile phone, all other belongings has been robbed by the raiders. We have reported the matter to the security. We have tried to raise it through the internal channels, but it remains unsolved up to today. So, paka hiyo justice to be served, we are not allowed our members to go back there.
Ngurukibo ritie thirikari gukurukira TSC gwikia arimu ba kuma NTEERE ni ugwitana no ntuma karikajira maingi cethirito je karikira bara ni arimu ba kuma kuraja.
If you look at the pattern of the attack, you'll find that it is almost the same kind of people who are being attacked, the non-locals, and we have already sent, as the secretary, the NAT has sent, that let the non-locals be deployed there to teach at that zone. 2014-2015, you remember during the Mandera attack, all the teachers were withdrawn from the Mandera and nobody died. But today you cannot hear of those attacks because the locals are there. So even in the zone of the Kipsing, Oldonyiro and the Reparua zone, we have already stated that let the locals be deployed there to teach their own community because
ibarombete arimu kwithirwa no kirimo karira bagaita mwerekera ja ngwataniro.
Today we had a meeting with the county commissioner and his team, and I want to join my secretary to request our teachers to remain calm until the matter is resolved and the county security team has shown and is committed to see to it that all these insecurity issues are solved.
Inkiripotera nteto cha kuma ISIOLO mbeta bantam murangiri.